equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. Belongs to or not belongs to. First one. This is belongs to. This is not belongs to symbol. You can just insert in between two numbers here. 5 belongs to A. Now we require A. A is given. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the set A. In the set A is there 5 in the set A? Yes, it is in the A. Therefore, you can insert the symbol belongs to. Second one, 8 dash dash to A. 8 dash dash to A means 8 is A has no 8. Therefore, you can insert the symbol not belongs to. And also third one, 0 dash dash to A. Is there 0 in the set A? No. This is also symbol not belongs to. And 4 is there as 4 belongs to A. Then 2 belongs to A. Then 10 no. 10 is not belongs to A. These are the answers for the second question. Now we go for the third question. In the third question, we have write the following sets in roster form. You can convert into roster form if the given question is set builder. Okay, here the question is A is equal to x of x is an integer and x is between minus 3 and plus 7. I write here only direct answers. A equal to x of x is an integer. We know that integers 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. Here x should be in between minus 3 and plus 3. Plus 7 means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the elements belongs to set A. Next, second one, B is equal to x of x is natural number less than 6. It's very easy. B equal to natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 6 means this. Okay. Next, C equal to, here x of x is 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is equal to 8. That means 0, 8. 0, 8 means 0, 0 plus 8, 8. Next, 1, 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Next, 2 plus 2, 6. 2, 6. 26 is the 2-digit number. Adding these two, we get 8. Therefore, 26. Next, 35. Next, 44. Next, 53. Next, 62. Next, 71. These are the elements to we have 2-digit numbers. Adding, we get 8. Okay. Next, D equal to. Here the question D has x of x is prime number which divisor of 60. Prime number we have we know the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. Next to 11, 13, 17, 19. Next to 23. These are the prime numbers. Here x of x is prime number which is divisor of 60 means 2, 3, 5 and 7 is not divisor of 60. Therefore, these are the elements to belongs the set. Next, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. You can write answer just DE. Putting just insert the comma and T or trigonometry T or I J. Next, O N O M E T R Y. These are the elements, you can write just separately. This is the answer for set C. Next, next question number 4. This is the third question number. Next we will go for the fourth. In the fourth question, we have the question: write the following sets in the set builder form. Write the following in the set builder form. That means here we has been given 3, 6, 9, 12. This is the roster form. You can convert into set builder. Here x of x. X of x is n. X of x is a n. Multiple with, you can write, it is also x of x is a natural number. Natural number multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 and multiple of 3 and n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3 is 12. Last number is 4. Okay. Now x of x is a natural number multiple of 3. Then next question. Second question: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Here we have the multiple of 2. X of x. X of x is a natural number. Natural number multiple with multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. Then third question. Here 5, 25, 125, 625. That means x of x is x of x is a 5 to the power n. Here n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer. X of x is a 5 power n. 5 for 1 means 5, 5 for 2 means 25, 5 for 3 means 125, 5 power 4 means 625. This is the answer. Next, next question is 149 up to 100. Here 149, 1 square, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9. That means which one? Fourth one. Sorry, fifth one. Yes, you can write direct answer equal to x of x. X of x is a squares of natural number. Squares of natural number and less than 10. Less than 10. 10 square means 100. Okay. Next, list all the elements of the following sets. Here set has been given. You can write their elements only. Next question. Next question. Fifth question. Fifth main first question. Fifth main first question. X of x is an odd natural number. You can write only elements which are x of x is an odd natural number. 1, 3, 5. Odd natural number 7, 11 up to 11 to so on. Okay. Next, second one, x of x is an integer. X of x is an integer. That means minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5. Minus 0.5, 1, minus 0.5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer for that, because 9 by 2 means 4.5, that is less than 4.5 means 4. Here minus 1 by 2 means 0.5, then the greater 0 and the greater 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4. Next, C equal to x of x is an integer, x square less than 4. That means C equal to 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. Yes, these are the elements, because 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Okay, then x of x is a letter in the word loyal. You can write just putting the comma L comma O comma Y comma A comma L. Okay, next sixth question. One more thing, here we have one question. X of x is a month of a year not having 31 days. Month of year not having 31 days, which means a month which has only 30 days, not exceed of 30. That means not having 31, which are February, April, June, September, November. Which month of year equal to February, April, next to June, next to June, September, November. These are the months they have not 31 days. Okay, next to match the following. Okay, the match the following. The first 1, 2, 3, 6. You can match the right side. Here x of x is a natural number and divisor of 6. Divisor of 6 is the first. You can match first to right side, third. Next 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is the answer for x of x prime number and a divisor of 6. That means first one. Next third, mathematics. X of x is a letter of mathematics. Okay, next 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here x of x is an odd natural number less than 10. Okay, you can make your notes very soon.